This is the way out. Learning how to show up for yourself is the first step. Learning how to overcome your fears is the next. And based on that leap of faith in your own ability to learn, we can now embark on your hero's journey, where you learn to become captain of your own ship and writer of your own script. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Richard Grove. Since 2003, I've been a whistleblower, forensic historian, podcaster, filmmaker, entrepreneur, and educator. I've taught myself over the years to apply autodidactic learning to overcome whatever obstacles in my path. Over the past 20 years of production, I've consistently helped my audience to solve problems, to overcome obstacles, and to achieve results in their own lives. It was after making the 5-hour documentary with New York School Teacher of the Year John Taylor Gatto that we leveraged what we learned in the ultimate history lesson to create the University of Reason and its flagship course, Autonomy, the ultimate freedom skill set to deliver solutions to hardworking people like you. Autonomy is the ultimate skill set for freedom, creating a lifestyle of liberty in your lifetime. The Autonomy experience ignites prosperity in those who learn to show up for themselves consistently. Now, I've taught 1,000 students how to outgrow their status quo to increase their skills and their value in the market. Learning to earn more than they need is part of the adulting process. Now, unfortunately, they don't teach us how to do this in school, and most people struggle for the rest of their lives with this topic of how to earn more than you need. This is totally unnecessary, and it's easily solved for those who want to outgrow their poor relationship with money and replace it with a wealth mindset and the actions that go with it. Overcoming the shortcomings of the public schooling system is a process of elevating yourself with self-education. And that education needs to originate in a way that helps you transform the copious raw materials of fear and ignorance into the refined products of thought, being knowledge, understanding, and wisdom. These are true currencies in the marketplace. I've prepared the following 2-hour masterclass so that you can learn to be bold, courageous, and self-confident as you move through the rest of your life. Everyone who knows you and comes into contact with you is going to benefit from what follows on this journey, as this refreshing and emboldening perspective is going to help you become indispensable, invincible, and irreplaceable. This is your chance to face and conquer your fears one by one until you can take the steps every day without encountering fear and confusion. And when you do, you're going to be empowered with strategies and tactics and skills and techniques to dispel it away by leveraging a way to learn anything, and that's the antidote to fear, something that holds most people incapacitated in lives of quiet desperation. This is the way out. Learning how to show up for yourself is the first step. Learning how to overcome your fears is the next, and based on that leap of faith in your own ability to learn, we can now embark on your hero's journey, where you learn to become captain of your own ship and writer of your own script. Let's get started.